Ready for a story? Today we have a nonfiction book out. It's called Chickens Aren't the Only Ones, and it's written by Ruth Heller. It's a nonfiction book because it's probably going to teach us something. It's got a lot of facts in it, and usually when I read one of these books at school, I kind of skip some of it, but not today. I want to talk about eggs because that's part of the life cycle for many, many, many living creatures, especially chickens. But chickens aren't the only ones. I love how they did the inside cover. It looks almost like a mirrored image, and oh, looks like there could be an egg. Here's the title page, Chickens Aren't the Only Ones, by Ruth Heller. She's both the author and the illustrator. Chickens lay the eggs you buy. The eggs you boil or fry or dye, like at Easter. Or leave alone so you can see what grew inside it naturally. Chickens aren't the only ones. Peacocks. Every bird, wild or tame, does the same. Tame might mean that it lives on a farm, not out in the wild. The ostrich lays the largest egg. The hummingbird, the smallest. Chickens aren't the only ones. Most snakes lay eggs, and lizards too, and crocodiles and turtles do. And dinosaurs, who are extinct, but they were reptiles too. Frogs and toads and salamanders lay eggs, and when they hatch, they're tadpoles who grow legs and climb a lily pad, just like their mom and dad. We talked about that last week. They don't have claws or scaly skins. They are called amphibians. Fish eggs float up to the surface or sink to the bottom of the ocean floor. This mother seahorse lays her eggs onto the father's pouch. He keeps them until they hatch, and then he's through. I think that's nice of him, don't you? These fathers, too, are helping out by guarding eggs protected by that foamy mass that's floating by. And they won't leave until they're sure that all the eggs have hatched. So their eggs will float in this mass so other creatures can't find them. And these fish help to protect them. These don't look like eggs to me, but they were laid in the sea. This one by a shark. This one by a ray. Is a mermaid's purse, they say. It's not. That's what they call it. A mermaid's purse is laid by a ray. Different kinds of eggs. The octopus is said to shed 100,000 eggs and then to hang them up in strings attached to rocks or caves. Kind of pretty. The moon snail's eggs are mixed with sand to form this collar-looking band. I think I've seen some of those washed up on the beach. Spiders wrap their eggs in sacks, and snails, you know, are very slow, but they lay eggs that hatch and grow. And so do insects. Insects who have 6 legs and lay many different kinds of eggs. This one will hatch into a hungry caterpillar who will grow and grow and grow and then climb up a stem and change into this, a chrysalis, and change again one summer morn. That's how a butterfly is born. Animals with fur or hair who nurse their youngs and don't lay eggs are known as mammals. This is a spiny anteater, and this is a duck-billed platypus. But these are two exceptions, and they both live in Australia. Chickens aren't the only ones. There's no more to discuss. Everyone who lays an egg is oviparous. Animals who don't lay eggs have babies born alive and well, but that's another tale to tell. She has another book out called Animals Born Alive and Well. So some are born alive and some are hatched through eggs. And over the next week, that's what we're going to be talking about. Animals that are oviparous. It's a great word, isn't it? Enjoy your day, boys and girls. I'll see you with a new story tomorrow.